Hey, it's RalphFixer here. Another problem, another day. I have a parasitic draw in my car, and I brought a battery trickle charger to bring the battery voltage back to maximum output. First thing, make sure that all electrical devices are taken out, all doors are closed, and all cables are out, and set the parking brake. So please, y'all, don't talk about my multimeter. This is the only one that I had that had a fuse in it that I hadn't blown yet. I'm just doing some checks on the voltage right now. In order to begin, remove the negative terminal. You'd normally need a 10mm socket for this. Now, time to set up your multimeter. The ground remains the same and connect the other cable to the fuse side. My multimeter is set to read milliamps. So here, it doesn't matter how you set this up. So here I'm using jumpers connected to my leads to alleviate me having to hold them. But then I ran into a problem because my clip wouldn't fit around the negative post. My solution to this was to use the hose clamp and crown the post, then connect my clip. Starting amps will be high, so don't be alarmed. You have to wait for the amps to settle. Amps will always be high upon initial contact. Your fuse puller is under the fuse box cover. Some could be in the fuse box itself. So start pulling those fuses and monitor for the amperage to drop. And here's the amperage drop. My amp draw went from about 200 milliamps to about 20 milliamps. Now that's more like it. The fuse that I pulled was power outlet 2, which was 15 amps. Just to reiterate in real time, notice the drop when I pull the fuse. It's significant. Now I'm going to figure out which outlet is number 2. Obviously, I think it's in the back, but inquiring minds want to know. Okay, so no power here. And just to make sure my adapter wasn't faulty, I checked in the front. Good to go. I ended up removing the power outlet fuse. I'd rather have no power outlet than a dead battery. That's an issue that I'll come back to later. Hopefully this video gives you guys some guidance, and thanks for watching.